Let's take a look at the mirror and the array tools in this movie. So I'll make a simple teapot, and let's start talking about the mirror tool first. So I made a simple teapot. The mirror tool can be found under Tools, Mirror, or it can also be found under the main toolbar right over here. So with the object selected, I'm going to go to Mirror, and it's got some very simple options. So right now ZX is selected from my previous setting, so I'll go to X. I can give it a nice little offset over here, so let's give it some kind of negative offset right about there. Again, you have options for different clone methods: copy, instance reference, or no clone. We'll just flip the original object. I can do a mirror in Y, in Z, ZX, YZ, or XY. That's how simple the mirror tool is. Let's delete these two. For the array, I'm going to make a simple cylinder. Let's say right about there. And let's have it in the corner, right over here. And you can see this is the y-axis going in this direction. So we're going to array in that direction. Let's go to Tools. With the object selected, let's go to Tools, Array. Now if you have any previous settings, like I do over here, I can simply reset all parameters and everything will zero out. At this time, I can say, give me, like, let's say 62 units in Y, but you can't really see what's happening, so I can say preview, and I highly recommend doing display as box, because remember, you're making copies, and I'm doing them as instance right now. So if you don't display as box, it's just going to show you as cylinders. So I'll say 62 units. I'll rotate them in X, Y, and Z. I can even scale them. And I'll do a 3D count up in Z. Maybe so many units and that much count. And I'll say OK. And there you go. There's my array. Now I can select all those guys and do another array and build a nice little bunch of objects over here. So array is really great. Now I can use this for some kind of simulation or some kind of animation. So it really allows you to make a lot of different copies with a lot of different settings in terms of rotation and scale very quickly. And the cool thing about the array tool is it allows you to also preview it while you do it.